Hello dear students, I'm teacher Richard, teacher of biology. I'm happy that we are going to be together in the course of biology. It will be a long-term course, so I'm happy. I hope that you are happy also. We are going to be together in the branch of biology called ecology, okay? Ecology, anyone knows what ecology means? Okay. I hope you studied in Senior 4. In Senior 4 they told you ecology is a branch of biology which deals with the relationships between organisms and the environment and themselves, okay? The relationship between organisms and the relationship between them and the environment, okay? So it's biology, especially Senior 6. The finalist, okay, and it's unit 1, okay. It's population and natural resources, okay. In Senior 4 you have been dealing with ecology. You started with the population. What's population? What's natural resources, okay? Dear students, like you studied in Senior 4, population is made up of group of organisms, okay, of the same species, okay. Population is made up of organisms of the same species, okay. Which are at the same place at the same time, okay? For example, a very big example, dear students, a human being in Kigali City, a group of human beings in Kigali City, children, men, your grandfathers, we make a population, okay? A set of eucalyptus in one forest makes a population, okay? But, for example, a Chinese man who is in China, we are of the same species, we are all human, okay? But we are not of the same population because we are not at the same time, at the same place, okay? At the same time, at the same place, organisms which are at the same time, at the same place, and they make a same species out of the population, okay? Are we together? I hope you carry on with this definition. So, what are the characteristics, the real characteristics of the population? What are the factors that we say, these factors are the key factors to name a population? The characteristics of the population are the following, okay? You just follow. Characteristics of the population, okay? The first characteristic of the population is the density, okay? I'm going to write them, I will explain them later, okay? I just hope that you follow, okay? The first is density, okay? Second is the birth rate. We cannot forget the death rate, okay? There is also a growth pattern and an age structure. age structure, okay? Density, birth rate, death rate, growth pattern, age structure. These are the key characteristics of the population, okay? Dear students, what's density? What's birth rate, death rate, growth pattern, age structure? What are these, okay? I know you are just curious to know them. The first is density. Density is the distribution of the population at a certain place. Okay? We divide by the area of that place. Okay? We take the number of the population and divide by the area of that place. For example, if there are million human beings in Kigali City, to know the density of the population of Kigali City, we will take 1 million as the number of human beings and divide the area of Kigali City, okay? Starting with density, it's the number of population per unity. Which unit? The unity is a place, okay? Per unit place, okay? A small example here. If you have 12, let's say 1,200 human beings or trees, let me say trees, and you have, they are planted on, let's say, a 10 meter squared, okay, or a 10 kilometer squared per 10 kilometer squared. Our density will be this number of trees per 10 kilometer squared, okay? And if we divide, we'll have, yes, number of trees per kilometer square, okay? This is a characteristic, the first characteristic of the population. The second is the age structure. In the population, the individuals in the population do not have the same age, okay? We have different age structures. For example, the human being, they are at home, there you are with your parents, you are not of the same age. So if we take, this was the first characteristic of the population. The second is the age structure, okay? So this age structure shows that individuals of are in different age patterns, okay? For example, we may say between in these trees, in 1,200 trees that we took as an example, 10 of them can be of 2 years, 1,000 of them can be of 7 years, okay? and we can say another 100 of them out of maybe 15 years, okay? This is an age structure of the population, okay? And another is the population explosion. What's the population explosion? The population explosion is the rapid increase in the number of the individuals of the population. For example, after the Second World War, the population of the world, I mean in terms of people, human being, multiplied by more than 5 times. That's an age explosion, okay? So the third one is population explosion. Which is the rapid increase in the size, number or size of the population. It's another key characteristic of the population. And we can't forget a birth rate. A birth rate is a rate, a proportion to which new individuals are being born in the society or in the population, okay? But it's the ratio of live birth or new births in a specific area. So guys, how do we calculate this birth rate? We take the number of newborns, okay? Newborns, new baby borns, whether it's in a specific population, whether it's in human being, whether it's in, yes, in a population, and we multiply by 1,000, not 100. You all like to make this mistake. It's 1,000 newborns. We multiply by 1,000 and divide by number of actual population or the adults. Let me say the adults, okay? So it's another characteristic of the population. Another which goes hand in hand with this is the death rate, which is the ratio of the dead people, okay, of the dead individuals in the population to the remaining population. Is the ratio of the dead individuals to the remaining population, okay? So its calculation ain't different from to the birth rate. We also take the dead individuals, multiply by 1,000, not 100, and divide by the remaining population. Remaining population. So, guys, this is it for today. Thank you.
Thanks.